What the fuck was that? One second, let's just hear that again. Yeah, that's what I thought you heard. That's what I thought I heard. What was that high pitch? It seems to only, I think, happen to this video. This video was so glitchy. What the world? Apparently, if I end the film and restart, it makes that backwards bus horn, which isn't normal. Is it normal? 'Cause this is the first time I heard it. I was watching Sonic EXE and that just freaked me out. It was like backwards car horn. Let's do it again. Does the bus horn actually sound like that? I don't know, Resident Evil. If you know it doesn't sound like that, just leave it in the comment. If you know it sounds like that, just tell me. But it just sounds just completely glitchy right there, just backwards. This isn't the only glitch that I occurred. I killed the zombie and he stood completely still, and then he just fell down, and that's it. You know, just like he just stood there. I shot him in the head, and then like he stood there for like about a few seconds, and then just disappeared, like nothing. And then I got tryached, which wasn't very fun. What else glitches? I can't really think of anything, but if I find any, I'll show you. Alright.